Naturally Queen here. Today I'm going to show you all how I moisturize my hair in these crochet braids. My natural hair under these crochet braids. So, I have my DIY spray bottle here. I have some aloe vera juice, distilled water, some leave-in conditioner, some essential oils. And then I have my DIY oil mix. So, what I'm going to do is get in between these sections here and spray my hair. Make sure you get in between these cornrows. Make sure you get every single section. It's very important that you moisturize your hair while it's in a protective style. You don't want your hair to dry out, and plus you want to keep it moisturized and help it to grow. I had this protective style in for about a month now. Might keep it in for another week. And then I'll take it out, but right now I'm just going to do my part to keep my hair healthy as possible while it's in this style. Make sure I get my edges as well and get the sides. And put your hair down and get the back. Make sure no strand left behind. Alright, make sure you get it good in here. Let me get this side. Alright, that feels great. Whew. Alright, so now I'm going to use my oil mixture here, and I'm going to put my oils in there. My little dripper. Put my oils in there. Get the cornrow. Same way I use that spray bottle to get each cornrow section. It's the same way I'm going to put the oils on my scalp. And I've been doing this every few days just to keep my hair from drying out. So I'm all done here, and my hair feels good. Feel nice and moisturized. And this should last me for another couple days, and now I'll do it again. And that is how I keep my hair moisturized in this protective style. Thanks for watching Naturally Queen.